So make sure that you already purchased the YouTube TV base plan and the 4K add-ons while ensuring those two subscriptions are still active, because you cannot watch Universo in 4K without having those two plans first. And to buy the YouTube TV base plan and the 4K add-ons, from the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the store icon. And then click on all at the top of the screen and then search for the 4K Plus right here on the 4K Plus add-ons. You want to click on it. So it will automatically bundle up with the YouTube TV base plan if you don't have that yet, the YouTube TV base plan. So you want to click on next and then complete your purchase by paying for the YouTube TV and 4K Plus to your membership with $83 per month and $5 per month. You can do it with your debit card, credit card, or even PayPal and Cash App. Just click on the next button over here. And then to watch the Universo in 4K, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you can just search for Universo. And here at the Universo 4K, you want to click on it. And you may scroll down and see the live session of the Universo in 4K. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.